Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Virtual Workspace. This is the 8th video in series Mastering Citrix Virtual App and Desktop Step-by-Step Installation and Configuration. In this video, we will create a machine catalog and a review group. As we already installed all the Citrix component and we have configured that, and now Citrix Studio is ready, so we can create the machine catalog. So if you missed any previous video, I highly recommend it. Just watch those video for your better understanding. So let's create a machine catalog. So I already launched the Studio, and you can click machine catalog, and from here also you can create. But I am creating from the home page. So I clicked on the create new machine catalog. So wizard will open soon. So let's click on next. So on this screen we need to select the operating system. So which OS is installed on the session of server. So as we have in session of server, currently we have server OS. So I am selecting multi-session. So if you have like Windows 11 or Windows 7 machine, in that scenario you can select this one. So in one machine catalog, we have to there will be a same machine. Like in same catalog, we cannot add two type of machine, like single OS and multi OS. So if we are creating a machine catalog for multi-session OS, so all in that machine catalog, all servers should be on server OS only. And if you are creating single session in that catalog, all the machines are like Windows 10 or Windows 11. So currently I'm selecting this one, as we have server OS in session of server. So I'm going with this option, as if there is we have created a hosting service. If you configure and if you configure the VMware, in that scenario we can select this option with machine creation service but as we didn't configure the host service, so by default it's going with this option, as with the machine are not power managed. So because we didn't configure the host service. And these are the these two are the Citrix provisioning method. One is first one is a machine creation service, MCS, and the other one is the the PVS. So that we have to it's not configured, that's what it's not showing here. So I'm just going with this other service technology, other service. So as we are not using MCS, I will create separate video for the MCS. Click on next. Okay, so from here we can add the computer or machine. So let me add our server, session of server, CPX SH. Let me confirm the name was it. Okay, so session of server is added now. From here we can add the session of server, add computer, and we have to provide the host name, and it will add directly. Okay, so option level, I'm going with the default one. Just click on next. So it will create a machine catalog soon. Okay, so machine type, we have selected multi-session OS. Machine physical, as we didn't configure any host service. Catalog name. So just put the catalog name, machine catalog name. I'm just putting desktop machine catalog apps 1. I'm just putting apps 1. Same here. So it will take time to create a machine catalog. So meanwhile, we'll just try to understand what is the machine catalog. So machine catalog is a logical grouping of virtual machine. It's virtual or physical logical grouping of virtual or physical machine that share the same configuration and delivery setting. So what is mean same configuration means, in as I explained earlier, in one machine in catalog, the machine type should be same to same, as we have to select only multi-session. For multi-session, we need to create separate catalog. For single session OS, client OS, we need to create a separate machine catalog. So that's the configuration and delivery settings. So that we need to check. So machine catalog means it's just logical grouping of machines or VMs. So once machine catalog created, we will create a delivery group, and we will add server to machine catalog and delivery group, and we'll check if it is registered or not. And after that, we will publish app. I will create a separate video for app publish and access management. So our first machine catalog created successfully. Let's just click on machine catalog and you will see the catalog name. So our first machine catalog created successfully. Here is the name, apps1, and currently we have added one server. So let's create a delivery group now. Let me click on this. The wizard will open. So wizard is open now. So we will just start creating delivery group. Let me click on next. Okay, so as currently we only have one machine catalog, that's why here it's showing only one machine catalog name, and the one machines we have added there, so it's showing just one. So we are adding only one machine. So I have selected one and click on next. So it will create a catalog. So let's try to understand. Meanwhile, let's try to understand what is the delivery group. So let me click on this as we are going with the default permission. So delivery group is data. So what is the delivery group? Delivery group is the logical collection. Delivery group is a logical collection that define who gets what from here. Who means like users. We can add users in a delivery group, and apps and machines that machines we can add from machine catalog, and users we can add from user Active Directory, and apps that we need to publish from the session or server. So we can publish here apps and desktop. That will for that I am creating a separate video. So I am just clicking next, and once machine catalog delivery group created, we will publish the app. So let me give the name. This is apps1. So in delivery group, we add in delivery group we add users and application, and we can define who access what. So in next video we will create a group, and let me click on this. So in delivery group we can add users and applications, and we need to take machine from the machine catalog. So in that we need to we will configure later. I will show you how to configure that. So in short, machine so it's created. It might be take some time to update it. So let me hide. So we have created machine catalog and delivery group. We will add users and application later. So to understand this, in machine catalog we add machines, that machine and then we create delivery group. In delivery group we can add machines from machine catalogs, users from AD, and application from app server. So in one delivery group we can add machines from two different machine catalog. So it's depend on the configuration that we can do that. So both machine catalog and delivery group successes, both machine catalog and delivery group successfully created. In next video we will create a we will publish app and try to understand access management, like how to provide access to users. So we will check that in next video. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next video.